Am I recording? Okay, good. This is Jorgensen van Oven. We're going to talk about the Jorgensen clamp, which is probably developed by a Swede, but made in America. And these are a traditional woodworking clamp. We've got a lot of them available to us, so I want to show you how to use them. We've only got two quick grip clamps here, and these don't clamp nearly as hard as these do. Okay, so here we go. You want to make sure that the jaws are always parallel to each other. This is of utmost importance. If we pick up a Jorgensen clamp where the jaws are tipped in or tipped out, we're doing it wrong, okay? So first thing you want to do is turn one of the handles so that you get your jaws parallel. Just use your eyes, they never lie, that's parallel. Then you grab both handles, you're going to spin, keep it away from your face, and move these or adjust them until you get the approximate distance apart that you need to start clamping, okay? So what I'm going to do is clamp these boards here down tight so that I can put pocket screws in. And what's happening is I'm getting a little bit of a gap along the bottom. As this comes down here, I've got a big gap that I need to squeeze and hold tight so I can put pocket screws in. So I need to get this close to where I want to be. I'm going to start by taking the handle that's furthest back and putting that up. I'm always going to adjust on the handle that's in the back. I'm not going to adjust on this handle for a final fit, okay? It's too small right now, so I need to spin it open a little bit more. That's close, it's too big. Back twice. I'm going to open a little bit here and cheat counterclockwise because I need to open up to get this clamped, and I know it's going to come together parallel. As I start to tighten down here, I'm turning clockwise now on this handle. I want to check that these are perpendicular to the flats of my clamps. So they are close right now. I'm going to flush this edge of the board and the sheet material up and then clamp this down tight. And as I pull that in tight, it has incredible clamping force. First class lever, fulcrum, resistance, effort, and with a threaded rod, this is an inclined plane wrapped around a shaft. We have an incredible clamping force here. This is magnifying my movement. For every revolution, I'm moving incrementally on the front. So I've got this clamped. Now I can install my pocket screws, loosen just back here. Once they're set up, I can just slide down, flush it, clamp it again, put my pocket screws in, keep moving, okay? So again, parallel is of utmost importance. When we're done with these, where do they go? We're gonna draw them together to about 1.5 inches and follow me. Oh, my finger's stuck. There we go. So we've got these set up right now on our panel saw, and it's just a place of convenience to store them. The critical here is that we do not extend these past this front surface of the panel saw because our sheet material sits on these bars and we don't want the Jorgensen clamps pushing out into the bars. So you can see we've got these clamped here, the jaws are parallel, and they're clamped back from this leading edge or the flat surface on the panel saw. Scene shot.